Managing creative projects without endless revisions is one of the biggest challenges many face, but it doesn't have to be this way. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take control of your creative process and eliminate the never-ending back and forth that kills your productivity. The key to managing creative projects effectively is clear communication. Right from the start, make sure you have a solid brief. A vague brief leads to endless revisions because there's no clear direction. Define the project's goals, audience, and expected outcomes upfront. This will not only save you time, but also give your team or client something concrete to refer back to. Next, focus on setting clear expectations around timelines and deliverables. When you and your team know the exact deadlines and what's expected at each stage, it's easier to avoid constant revisions. Get agreement from all parties on these expectations early on, and avoid leaving room for second guessing down the line. Now, let's talk about feedback. Feedback is often what triggers multiple rounds of revisions, but here's the trick: make it specific. Rather than saying something broad like, make it better, focus on what exactly needs to change and why. Whether it's a design element or a message that needs to be reworded, specific feedback prevents the project from getting stuck in an endless loop of back and forth. Another strategy is to incorporate checkpoints and reviews throughout the project. This can help identify issues early before they snowball into major revisions later on. Having mid-project reviews allows you to make course corrections rather than waiting until the final delivery, which helps everyone stay on track and on time. Additionally, consider the software tools you're using. I've tested a lot of the popular project management tools, and I found one that can truly streamline your creative process and help manage those revisions. Our software, this software we're using, has powerful features that let you keep everything in one place, track progress, and communicate feedback in real time. And the best part? I've arranged for you to get an exclusive free trial of this software if you want to follow along with this process. The link is in the description below. Remember to keep the lines of communication open, but also structured. Having a centralized hub for discussions, feedback, and project updates cuts down on confusion and reduces the chances of endless revisions. Using our software makes this process smooth and easy, so check it out with the free trial in the description. Now, here's the key takeaway. The secret to managing creative projects without endless revisions lies in clear expectations, specific feedback, and using the right tools to streamline communication and collaboration. Get those right, and you'll spend less time revising and more time creating. To quickly recap, start with a clear, detailed brief, set expectations early, give specific feedback, and use a project management tool that keeps everything organized. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.